Applying for a Tesco credit card in 2025 requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. You must be 18 years or older and a UK resident with a permanent address. A good to excellent credit score of 600 or higher on the Experian scale is crucial for approval. You'll typically need a minimum annual income of £6,000 to £10,000. Recent bankruptcy or county court judgments within the last 6 years will likely lead to rejection. You'll need several documents for your application. Proof of identity includes a passport, driver's license, or UK biometric residence permit. For proof of address, provide a recent utility bill, bank statement, or council tax bill dated within the last 3 months. Proof of income, such as payslips, a P60, bank statements, or tax returns, is essential, especially for self-employed individuals. Don't forget your Tesco Club Card number to link rewards. Be prepared for a credit check via Equifax or Experian, which may be required during the application. Since Tesco Bank was acquired by Virgin Money in 2022, card services are now integrated and handled primarily online. The Tesco credit card application process is now 100% online, usually taking 5 to 10 minutes. It involves a soft credit check initially, followed by a hard check upon approval. Funds are typically available within days if approved. Applications are handled mostly via the Tesco website or app, aligning with the digital trend. The process starts with a soft credit check, which doesn't affect your score, followed by a hard check that does impact it once approval is granted. This ensures responsible lending while assessing your risk. The partnership with lenders like NatWest means algorithms from partners will assess your risk, ensuring fair and data-driven decisions for approval. Here are some tips to improve your chances of approval. Boost your credit score by paying off debts and avoiding new applications beforehand. Use soft search tools to explore options. Compare different cards based on APR, rewards, and fees to find the best fit for your needs. Transparency is key. Provide accurate information to avoid delays or rejection. Note that approval rates are around 60% as of 2024. A successful case might be a young professional with a good credit score, while rejection might stem from insufficient income proof or a recent CCJ. If initially rejected, consider a secured card to rebuild credit before reapplying.